A well-known car brand held an exclusive event, Pink Drive Awareness, at Oneroad Automotive HONGQI showroom in Dubai, UAE last Wednesday, 17th November. The Appreciation Award was honored by His Excellency Suhail Muhammad Al Zarooni, an Emirati Collector and Guinness World Record holder, along with other famous personalities including Lara Tabet, Yaqoob Al Ali, Qiyi Xie, Chen Ling Zhang, Leyong, Wang, and Maya Alhawary as guest speakers. His Excellency Suhail Muhammad Al Zarooni expressed his feelings about the program Pink Drive Awareness by Oneroad Automotive Group as a great gesture for the community. He also speaks about HONGQI car as used by Prime Minister of China. He explains its importance by explaining that it's full option and very innovative with all latest facilities and a great experience with other famous world brands. Maya Alhawary appreciated the organizers to have organized such gathering aimed at awareness of the people of UAE mainly and the entire world about this killer disease through Pink Drive Awareness program. She said there is always a right time to protect oneself against such kind of disease. Mr. Chen Ling Zhang, GM of Oneroad Automotive, acknowledged all the guests as they spared their valuable time to attend the event.
Excuse me. Thank you.
This is the HONGQI. Can we give that a tour? I want to thank you for joining us here this morning at the wonderful HONGQI showroom. We're going to start off this wonderful morning with the beautiful Maya Alhawary, who needs no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, could you kindly give her a round of applause, please? It's a pleasure to have you here with us. Thank you for making it. We'd like to show you our new collection of cars. Please come.